Click on the link below to get price. The Skeri Electric Trike, with its robust peak 1000W motor, offers an impressive blend of power, versatility, and convenience, making it an excellent choice for adults seeking a reliable mode of transportation. From the moment I unboxed the trike, it was clear that Skeri prioritized both design and functionality. The 20-inch wheels provide a perfect balance of stability and maneuverability, allowing both new and experienced riders to navigate urban environments with ease. One of the standout features of this electric tricycle is its folding capability. It can be easily collapsed, making storage and transport a breeze. Whether you're taking it on a weekend getaway or simply storing it in a small apartment, the compact design doesn't compromise on sturdiness. Once set up, the trike feels solid and well constructed, assuring users of its durability over time. The 1000W motor delivers exceptional power, enabling the trike to tackle steep hills and rough terrain without breaking a sweat. I was particularly impressed with the acceleration. It's quick and responsive, giving that exhilarating feeling of freedom while ensuring a smooth ride. The top speed is commendable, allowing users to keep up with traffic comfortably. Battery life is another strong point. With a range of approximately 30 to 40 miles on a single charge, the Skeri Electric Trike is ideal for longer journeys or daily commutes. The battery charges relatively quickly, making it convenient for daily use. Comfort is not overlooked either. The ergonomic seat and adjustable handlebars allow for a customizable riding experience, catering to various body types. The wide rear basket adds practicality, perfect for grocery runs or carrying personal items. Overall, the Skeri Electric Trike stands out as a premium choice in the electric tricycle market, combining power, convenience, and comfort. It's an excellent investment for anyone looking to embrace a more eco-friendly and enjoyable way of commuting.